This is an update on the US elections. US elections is a never-ending story, not only in this cycle, but also in previous cycles. Just lasts for too long. But anyway, we're currently sort of stepping up. The campaigns are, Labor Day is over. Americans are back from their vacations. The conventions, the RNC, Republican National Congress, and the Democratic National Congress are well behind us. These were held in July. We're already in September. Sort of quick thing on what happened so far. Clinton was always in the lead or tied, but in July, Trump did manage to catch up. Clinton was investigated by the FBI, and the Republicans had their convention, but then the Democrats had a successful convention, and more importantly, Donald Trump had a series of stupid things he did, big mistakes, bigly, if you wish, especially with insulting the family of a fallen soldier. And Clinton reached a lead in early August of about 8 points. But things have been changing now, very gradual changes. But now the markets might get focused. Why? Because the changes have become a bit more significant. And because, again, we're after Labor Day, markets are more focused in general, and the campaigns are more focused. So Donald Trump did change his staff. Most important change was putting Kellyanne Conway, a veteran pollster, and she sort of smoothed his message. He'll say he's not pivoting, he's tough, but anyway, they're a bit more intelligent, making less mistakes than they made beforehand. Clinton, again, has these email scandals, and the recent public appearances have been a bit weak, I would say. And it might be also, profit-taking, like profit-taking in markets, sort of the pendulum swings to the other side every once in a while. Anyway, polls have been tightening very gradually. Currently, according to various websites, it's 2/3 chance for Clinton to win. It was around 90% chance a few weeks ago. And in terms of national polls, it has been a lead of about 8 points. Now it's about, I would say, 3.5 points, okay? Real campaigning begins now. Remember, for markets, markets usually prefer the Republican candidate, more market-friendly, more business-friendly, good for Wall Street. But in this case, Donald Trump is anti-immigration, anti-globalization, anti-trade, and very, very unknown, very crazy, okay? On the other hand, Clinton comes as a sort of half incumbent, replacing president from her own party, Barack Obama. She's a very, very well-known public figure, very mainstream candidate. Even though many people don't like her, you can't expect too many surprises from her. Okay, so it's Clinton continuation versus Donald disruption, and I think we can have, during the month of September, more impact from those various opinion polls, from what Trump says, from what Clinton says on markets. Which currencies could benefit more than others? So again, I think markets do prefer Clinton over Trump. So Clinton, again, continuation, certainty. That means if this is only sort of the pendulum swing in Clinton, again, widens the gap in her favor, it'll be good for risk-taking for commodity currencies. The Australian dollar, perhaps currently, as aforementioned, the weakest link, the Canadian dollar, and the New Zealand dollar. And perhaps also the pound, not a commodity currency, but taking advantage of that. If we have Trump edging even closer and perhaps even leading, we could see a bigger reaction. Why? Because so far Clinton has been in the lead, and having Trump leading, that would be a big change, a negative change for markets. And this could benefit the ultimate safe haven, the Japanese yen. Also, the Swiss franc on the sidelines, and the euro could be a mixed picture because the euro did benefit last year from some safe haven flows. This isn't the case at the moment. Anyway, it would add Trump, but also many market participants. And this uncertainty also joins other uncertainties. Brexit, the fate of the Eurozone, China's slowdown, Russia, terrorism, you name it. Okay, so in case that Trump continues this trend, and we have a few more important polls this week, the week after Labor Day, then we could see perhaps safe haven flows related to the US elections. Okay?